Front one in this front blue and black one here. What is this?
Yeah, that's called a Wakizashi, and Wakizashi is the middle-sized sword that a samurai would wear. Samurai swords come in three different sizes, as you know. You get the Tonto, which is a short guy. Then you got the Wakizashi, which is the middle sword. And then you got a katana or a daito, which is the long sword, which what most people think of as a samurai sword.
Yeah.
So this is the middle-sized sword. This one is signed and circa 1716 to 1789 is about when this sword maker worked. It's in pretty good condition. It needs restoration. The blade is not in what we consider full polish, but it has enough polish left on it that you can see a lot of the work.
Yeah, wow, this is very nice.
Yeah, let's see. What else can I tell you about
this
it?
next one up, this little bit shorter one with this.
Yeah, this little guy right here actually was put together by a very talented guy in Phoenix, Arizona. He did actually made all the fittings and stuff for it. The blade inside is an older blade, not the best quality. Its best thing, what it does best is hold all this together. But this is all handmade and put together. It's a nice piece. He does beautiful work. This is what's called a yari.
The spear, yeah.
Spear or a pole arm. This one was made in the early 1500s, and it's signed by the maker, and it has a certification on it. And let's see, not sure what else I can tell you about that.
I mean, it looks very nice. I learned a little bit about the spears, like the spearheads, and how the wood didn't survive, so they keep the spearheads and get like new wood shafts sometimes.
It's the same for all swords, actually. You know, the blades are very well taken care of in Japan because getting them restored or polished is very expensive. So they try to protect that. So the blades last a long time, many generations, but the rest of the stuff on the blade, that is the handle and the scabbard or the saya, that'll rot over a period of time. You know,
yeah, of course.
It's wood, you know, so it just deteriorates. And so they get remounted periodically. Plus, the swords are not necessarily kept in the same family for, you know, they get bought and sold just like guns do over here, and they have sword shops over there like we have gun stores over here.
Yeah, I just recently saw a couple of videos of the actual sword shops, and they're pretty nice. I can't even.
Yep, and so they end up over the centuries. It might be sold and bought into several different families, and each new owner would take the sword and say, you know what? Hey, you dropped your phone. Each new owner would probably take a look at it and say something like, you know, I don't like the color of that handle, or I don't like the.
Oh yeah, that's right.
New paint on the.
Because they do have like the small parts you can exchange, and
Well, they take it. There's craftsmen